Hello, my name is Brandon, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how to go about the process of registering for ICMEE and taking our first set of surveys once you get prior to taking an e-workshop. I work on the ICME project, I work on the database end, as well as pretty much I wear a lot of different hats within the organization. And yeah, if you have any questions throughout any of the process, please feel free to shoot an email to anybody on the team, but most likely it'll be me, at icmee dot or sorry, icmee at unl.edu. And before we get started, I want to just take a minute and say thank you very much. We're super excited to have you part of our presentation, or sorry, part of our e-workshops here. And yeah, hopefully we can get you registered without any serious hiccups. All right, so the very first thing that you're going to want to do is you are going to get an email giving you your group ID number. It's going to look very similar to something like this. It's going to be a 6-digit number. You're going to want to get that down on like a notepad or a piece of paper. Just have it handy. The second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to icmee at or .unl.edu. So we'll just open up a new tab, icmee.unl.edu. You can see I've been here quite a bit. This is our login screen here. We have a lot of information about our organization over here. All of these links down here, our podcast, our About Us, the ICME proper website here has a little bit more information as well as our FAQs. This kind of is the portal into taking all of the surveys and managing your user account with us. So once you have your group ID and you have come to this website, please go ahead and notice if you have not already registered, please click here. You're only going to have to do this once. And I'm going to click here, and we're going to open it in a new tab. And this is going to be where we register here. So your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, which we use to uniquely identify you in the database, and that is it. Everything that you put into the database is considered that to be confidential. We never actually show anybody this. We de-identify all of the data. And then put in your school name, your district, most importantly, your group ID, that number that I told you to have on hand. This is where you need to cut and paste that into here. And then your verification code, just copy this number. It's going to be different for everybody right into that field, and then hit submit. Once you hit submit, whatever email address you put in here, make sure you get this correct. If anything else, make sure this is the correct field here. Once you put that in, you're going to get an email that says new account created, ICMEE. It's going to look just like this. And it'll say thank you for registering for the ICME website. You can click on here to go back to the website, but this will give you your login information and your password. You can change your password later on once we get into the system, but for now, just make sure that you get this email. Then you can just copy that, and then when you come into here, I've already got it all loaded up. This is the email address that I used for my test account, and I just cut and paste that password into there, and I click on login. I have already taken the surveys here, but you will have a link right here that will say click here, which will bring you into the first survey. Once you click into that, you can begin taking the survey, and once you are done, it will go to completed, and as you finish them all, you will get all of these to be completed. Please go ahead and take all of the surveys. These are our pre-surveys before we get into any of the workshops or anything. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at icmee at unl.edu, and we'll be glad to help out. One of the most common things is troubles with your password. So if you don't get this email, if your password's not working, or if you want to change it, go ahead and click on I forgot my password, and that's going to be how you can update your password. You'll get an email, pretty standard, that'll let you manage your password. All right, well, thank you very much and have a nice day.